Hello, everybody. Welcome back to this online learning that you're doing from Mr. Thompson's science class. Just want to give you a few updates on what's going on. You are now able to access week 2. So down here it says week 2, balanced and unbalanced forces. You can still finish heat transfer. If you did not finish the quiz from last week, you may still finish that. It's not due, so don't panic. Don't get overwhelmed with it, but make sure you finish the quiz. I would recommend finishing that one before starting the next one. Okay, week 2, very similar to week 1. If you click on week 2, balanced and unbalanced forces, you should see you're going to have the assignment. So it says week 2 assignment. Many of you, I didn't tell you this in the last video, but I added a discussion board. Okay, last week was give me examples of heat transfer. This one is how to use force around your house. Now, the idea behind the discussion board is just to kind of get people engaged a little bit in the class. I am not collecting that for a grade. However, I did make it as a must complete before it tells you you're complete. So don't worry about it if you didn't do it. It's just a way to kind of keep in touch with everybody and let me respond to some things to see if you're on the right track or not. So again, how to use force around your house. That's the discussion board. Just post one or reply to somebody on there. And then at the end of the week, week 2 quiz, balanced and unbalanced forces, the same as before. You will get up to 5 attempts, but it will grade your last one. So again, if you got 4 the first time and then you go back and you get a 3 the second time, it will give you a 3. So make sure that you're going through there and doing them correctly. The assignment on here, it says week 2 assignment. Do this first. This should be the first thing you do. Okay? If you click on this, boop, it's going to bring you to 2 things. Week 2 overview and the PowerPoint. The overview is the same as last week, where it just tells you here's the slides that you should be doing, 1 through 4. Record your responses. Here are the links. This is what you should be doing. Okay? If you go to the PowerPoint, same as last week, it says day 1, essential question, try it, things like that. Just a quick hint, on a couple of these, it'll ask you to give a worksheet, or it'll say write this down. Now, I have got many people that have submitted Google Forms to me. They've taken pictures of piece of paper that they've written on and sent it to me. That's great, and you don't have to do any of that if you don't want to. I'm not collecting any work of yours. The only thing I'm grading is the quiz. Okay, so make sure you are completing and grading the quiz as soon as you're done with the material. Other than that, I am not grading anything else. So if there's a worksheet, some of these say click here to print the worksheet, such as this one, click here for worksheet. And if you don't have a printer like me, I don't have a printer, I just get out a sheet of paper and just copy down, number 1, 2, 3, what are the answers to them, and I use that as I would do my quiz. So hopefully you guys understand how this works. And again, if you do not get it, or if you want to talk to me, I've had more than enough, email athompson@isd622.org, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns or anything I can help you out with. I'd be happy to get right back to you as soon as I can. So hopefully everyone's staying healthy, and I miss all of you guys, and much love. So have a wonderful week, and I'm going to check in with you next week. See ya.